This video shows you how to create a new resume in FlowCV. First, open the editor. Once you're inside, head over to the Content tab. From here, click on the Add Content button, where you'll see a wide range of sections you can add to your resume. For this example, I'll be choosing the Profile section. In this area, you can write a professional profile or summary that highlights who you are and what you do. I'll be using a fake profile and a fake resume for demonstration purposes only. Simply type in the information needed, then click the Done once you're good. You can continue building your resume by adding more sections. For example, you can click Add Content again and choose Certificates. The same principle applies. Just fill in the required details like so, review everything, and make sure it looks right. Once you're satisfied with the content you've added, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. And that's it. That is how you create a new resume in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.